In this video, we will review some of the most common scheduling scenarios used by our customers. The first includes an individual offering multiple event types. The second scenario includes a single user using a master page, and the third is a multi-user scenario with a master page. Let's look at the first example. This user associated several event types to his booking page. When customers visit the page, they have the option to choose which event type is best for them and then complete the booking. This scenario is best if you have the same availability and channel for your different event types. While each event type has its own settings, the availability and channel are set by the booking page. If you want to define different availability or different channels for your meeting types, then you need to use a master page. This brings us to the second common scenario. In this example, our user has several booking pages. Each one represents a different channel for conducting meetings. When customers visit her master page, they can first select the channel they prefer, then view the availability for that specific channel. The third scenario is a team scheduling scenario. In this example, we have a master page using rule-based assignment to dynamically distribute bookings. When customers access your master page, they can select an event type and then a date and time. Their booking is automatically assigned to a team member in a resource pool according to the pool's distribution method. This scenario allows for flexible setup when you have multiple team members able to provide the same event type. These are just a few of the scheduling scenarios you can create with our building blocks. If you need more help configuring your scenario, read about the different single-user and multi-user scenarios in our support center. Now that we have gone through setting up your scheduling scenario, let's move on to learn about all the other things you can do with ScheduleOnce.